I'm head of the Ship Scientific Systems team here at the National Oceanography Centre, one of the world's leading oceanographic institutes, and I'm part of the National Marine Facilities team, which is responsible for operating the two research ships, the RRS James Cook and RRS Discovery. I look after all the scientific equipment that's fitted to the ships, the acoustics, underway sampling, atmospheric sampling, IT systems and satellite communications.
So NOC challenged Logicalis to deliver a world-class 21st century IT solution consisting of a wired and wireless network, compute and storage, and robust high-capacity ship-to-shore communication for when the ships are in port and able to operate in some of the harshest environments on the planet. Logicalis has a fantastic pedigree of delivering networking solutions to customers over many years. Many of those customers consider us to be a long-term strategic partner and advisor. On top of this, we really relish a challenge.
Some of the main challenges for installing the IT systems on board include the space that we have, quite cramped on board, and some of the racks are non-standard sizes. Also we have waves which move the ship around a lot, so we have to look at getting equipment that can cope with that sort of vibration that we experience at sea.
Even though these are relatively large vessels, the space constraints that we had placed upon us to deliver the network were pretty tight. Secondly, and probably most importantly, time constraints. Both research vessels were in for refit. We were given a very tight and very specific window during which we could deliver the network on board. And then finally, physical environmental constraints. These are ships, these are not buildings. These things have metal bulkheads. Metal bulkheads and Wi-Fi are not necessarily great bedfellows, so that presented us with some additional engineering challenges.
It was a great pleasure to work with the Logicalis team. They've been with us every step of the way, from the initial concept design, lab testing, the initial build, and then they've been working on board to do the installation and the post-installation training.
So Logicalis have been a long-standing Cisco partner for very many years, and Cisco have been at the absolute top of the networking industry for more than 2 decades. So installing Cisco's technology really was a no-brainer.
Benefits that people on board will notice are the improved Wi-Fi coverage around the ship, which now extends down to the accommodation areas. From IT administrators' perspective, the main benefits are the enhanced security that we have on board now.
I can honestly say that delivering this network to the 2 research vessels has been one of the most challenging projects that we've ever undertaken.